Hey folks, Adam here, and today we're looking at Tempur-Pedic. This is the LuxeAdapt. It's a soft king, also available in the firm king. It's a 13-inch memory foam mattress that is available for all users, big and small. So let's go ahead, take a look, and kick it off right about now. Now, first off, I want to tell you that the memory foam from Tempur-Pedic was first designed by NASA engineers, and this stuff is ultra plush, ultra luxury, and it is the highest grade in engineering. This is absolutely fantastic. They've done a great job of advancing over the years to where this doesn't sleep hot like it used to. And the LuxeAdapt is maximum pressure relieving power, which means that it adapts to your body and doesn't hit those pressure points like some other mattresses do. So if you have back, neck, shoulder, knee pain, then this may be the mattress for you. Now, I've slept on a Tempur-Pedic mattress for over a decade. I got mine in 2009, I believe, and I absolutely love it. In fact, you see me on a demonstration model, just checking it out, and it's absolutely one of the best mattresses on the market today. So if you're considering a memory foam mattress and you want the top end, the best of the best, then consider Tempur-Pedic. These mattresses are designed to last 10 to 20 years. They have a washable cooling cover, ultra-conforming support, and I think that's really the key to the Adapt, is that this thing conforms to your body type, adapts to your body, and is designed to give you the ultimate in sleep comfort, no matter your size, no matter your weight, no matter your hip and knee problems. This is going to be a great mattress for you. It's available in Twin XL, Queen King, California King, and the Split California King. So if you're looking for a great memory foam mattress, this one is absolutely phenomenal. Go ahead and order today. Order with confidence. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.